Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can assign ringtone to contact on your OnePlus Nord 3 5G. So to do this you have to open the phone dialer, then go from the favorites or recents to the contacts. I'm gonna change it for this one, so select, click on the three dots in the right upper corner, then click to set the ringtone and click to allow. Right now, the first option is the custom ringtone, so you can find here all default, all custom files that you have on your phone, so you can switch between the music and even the recordings of your sound recorder. And also you can pick the default ringtone, like for example this one. And that's how it sounds. Then you can just go back, and as you can see, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.